Hey everyone, I'm Adam with Paradigm Roofing. Welcome to Galveston, Texas, where we're really excited to show you this project that we're working on, installing a brand new Tesla solar roof on this beautiful beachfront property. The Tesla solar roof is the ultimate roofing system if you're looking for great aesthetics, durability, and energy independence. The Tesla solar roof is made up of three main components. We start off with the Tesla branded proprietary underlayment, which is an ice and water, and that goes across the entire deck. That's then covered by active tempered glass tiles as well as non-active metal tiles. As you can see, they're designed to match almost identically. Tesla solar roof is an extremely durable roofing system, and these are the top class wind, top class hail, and top class fire rating. These tiles have had 2-inch steel balls dropped on them and it hasn't made a mark. We also have the non-active metal tile, which is designed to look almost identical to the glass and create that fully integrated roofing system that everyone loves. The fully integrated design of the Tesla solar roof means that you don't have to compromise on aesthetics for your energy needs. The sleek black finish that these tiles provide means that you're going to be the talk of your neighborhood. At Paradigm Roofs, when we work with a homeowner, we design their system to give them exactly what they need in terms of energy production and storage. Through these active glass tiles, we can decide how much energy production we want on each roof. This one in particular, we're doing 7.92 kilowatts, which is 110 of these active tiles. So here we are under the house. We're going to put the Tesla backup gateway, which manages the energy flow between the grid and the solar and the batteries. The batteries we're using are Tesla Powerwall 3, which is a game changer battery with an inbuilt inverter. We're going to be putting those down here under the house, and that's going to provide complete energy independence to these homeowners. So in times of outage, or in times of bad weather days or overnight, they're going to have power for their home. The Tesla solar roof also comes with a 25-year warranty that covers the product, performance, and weatherization. So you know for at least the next 25 years, your home is going to be protected against the Texas elements, and you're going to have complete energy independence. So of course, with Tesla products, you can manage everything through the Tesla app. This is an all-in-one experience where you can manage any Tesla product, including the solar roof and the Tesla Powerwall 3, and understand the flow of energy in your home. So if you want a roof that can protect you from the extreme weather we have here in Texas, as well as give you and your family complete energy independence, give us a call at Paradigm Roofs. We'll take you through a solar evaluation, we'll design the system for you, and then we'll come and give you a high-quality install that's going to last you for decades to come.